Hello, welcome to Kumari's home cooking. Today's recipe is going to be KFC fried chicken. I have 2 liters of water. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, I'm going to write everything in the description box, so you follow that. Because I did more, you guys. If you want to do less, you can go ahead and do less. This is for the 10 pieces I'm doing. So give a good mix, then cut the onions and then put it in the water together with the chicken. So now the chicken drumstick is going in, and I'm going to leave this for at least 5 hours to marinate this. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge. After 5 hours, I'm going to fry this Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now I'm going to put in the fridge for 5 hours. This is all-purpose flour, 2 cups. Rice flour, 2 tablespoons. Two tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to mix this with all the other spices like garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper powder, onion powder. So give a good mix. Mix it well, and then take the other half part of the flour mixture and keep it aside for frying. Okay, now this is the half amount of the flour I took, and I'm going to add 3 eggs, or you can only add 2 eggs also will be fine. I'm adding 3 eggs. And mix it well again with 3/4 cup of water. This recipe is going to really taste very good. You guys must try this Kentucky Fried Chicken recipe. This is my first attempt and it turned out very well. Okay, 3/4 cup of water. Look at the flour. The mixture looks so colorful. And the texture must be like dropping out from the spoon. Now rinse the chicken out from the water. And I'm going to just give a wipe with a paper towel. And then it's going to go into the frying pot. So this is, I just give a quick damp try with paper towel. Now let's get started to fry the drumsticks. Yeah, when you coat the mixture, don't squeeze the mixture onto the chicken, because I've seen some people, they squeeze it. You just give a a kind of a rolling and spinning about with the mixture on top, the flour, so it won't really get too much of thickness of flour on it. So you see, when you go like just throwing it on top, it turns out well. Well, you can even squeeze and do, but I think I like it this way. See, it is nice and beautiful. I'm gonna fry this for at least 10 minutes. Keep occasionally keep turning, otherwise it will get burned in the other side. KFC, in the restaurants they usually use a big fryer, so it's a bit different. We are doing it home. Oh, look at that. It looks so beautiful. Okay. Now, the second batch is going to go. Guys, you must try this recipe of mine. It's really wonderful. Looks wonderful, tastes wonderful. I tried. It was really very good. And I hope you guys will try this at home. And everything will be in the description box. The measurements, I'll put it in. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Take care.